Hello everyone, it's October 1st, 2025, and here I am, first day of October, picking some Moyer plums. Now, these plums, I guess, are late ripening variety. So here we go, I pick up plums and it rained 2 inches at least overnight. And I was on like 2 hours of break before another rain starts again. So I decided to go out there. It's windy and cold. You see the branches, they're swaying, they're being whipped by the wind. That means another cloud of rain is coming. That's what I think. But you never know what wind means to anyone, but to me, rain is coming, and I gotta do this a little bit pretty quick before it rains again. So these Moyer plums is sweet like candy. I like them myself to eat fresh. Well, the extras I'm going to sell them to the farmers market as one of my hobbies. And I'm in the zone 8B, Pacific Northwest.